Greetings, friends. As always, it's an honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. I have yet another video working with tires and wheels. These are snow tires I just mounted for the Altima, and I'm getting ready to put them on. What I want to address today is working with these wheel covers that require the lug nuts to put them on. I got a little tip to make it a little easier for you. They're always a pain. So I'm going to put the wheel cover up on top of the hood of the car. I've got a tool handy to get the lug nut started. That's on top of the hood of the car. I've got a tire chuck here that's going to help us. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I'm an old man now. I just turned 70 and I can't lift these wheels anymore. So I've got this nice little tool here. I did a video on it some time ago. I'll link it at the end of this one. That helps me get these wheels in place. You can see it's quite easy. Okay, now that I've got the wheel in place, I'm going to use the chuck to try to hold it there so I can get the lug started. So I'm going to take and put that just like that. And that's going to hold it in place for me. And now I'm going to line up my stem. And I'm going to take a lug nut. I'm going to get one started. Now I'm going to get another one started. See, with the help of the wheel chuck to hold the wheel steady for you all the way on, it's a simple matter to get it started with the hubcap. Now that I've got the wheel in place, I don't need that anymore. And then go ahead and start the other lug nuts. And you can see it was very, very simple just by having a tool to help you get them started, and a wheel chuck. And if you're an old man like me, this is a handy tool to have. I'll link it at the end of this video. So that's all I've got, friends. You don't need to watch me put the rest of these in. So I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I will post two videos to your left. One will be the video where I demonstrated this tool. And the other will be something I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my very trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that, should you wish to subscribe to my channel. So thanks again, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.